my drag is messed up, but that's the fish. That's definitely a fish. Well, that's a good one. Not bad. Come here, buddy. All right. It's a good one. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Not skunked. See you, buddy. There we go. Another good one. Another pretty good one. Come here, buddy. All right. Yep. Even better. Hell yeah. That's a good 2.5, maybe 3. He's kind of short, but he's like really heavy. Okay, number 2, fat boy, chunky boy. See ya. Oh wow, got a whole plant this time. Blech. Got one. Felt like a bluegill. Hi, buddy. Just tapped it. Boy, he's tiny. Only about a pounder. Healthy looking though. Look at that. Am I even recording still? Yep. All right, number 3. See you, bud. Man, why is this backlashing like every cast?